Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to change the clock style on your Samsung Galaxy A55. Let's get started. So, as a first step, you would need to turn off your phone and now wake it up so you can see the lock screen. Then hold your finger on this lock screen until will appear this message where you need to verify yourself. And this is it. Now we are on this menu. As a next step, click on your current clock, and here is the customization menu. Here you can find different styles of clock, and also you can change the font on it. So for example, let me just change the font like this with this style. And also you are able to change the colors. For example, I will choose this really pretty gradient and then click done. And as you can see, I got this message which is saying that the changes was applied successfully. And this is my new clock. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.